This video will guide you through installation instructions for your Viking 4.5-inch stretched baggers. Baggers are a great addition to any touring bike, providing additional storage space and convenience for your luggage or gear. Your baggers will come with installation instructions and a hardware kit. Viking Stretched Baggers come pre-assembled, saving you time and work. Although additional hardware is provided with a kit, you can install the baggers with OEM hardware pre-installed on your Harley. First, take off your older bags by unscrewing the hex head bolt. Get the correct side of the bagger, align the mounting holes, and install the bag using Harley's OEM hex head bolt. Congratulations, your Viking 4.5-inch stretched baggers are installed, and you are ready to ride.